What's good, y'all? I'm back. I know it's been a long hiatus, but got a special video today. Got this Snkr Flea mystery unboxing for y'all, and yeah, let's get right into it. Off the bat, I feel like I lost because it's in a bag. It's not in a box, but we'll see. So I got two anti-social social club shirts. I can just tell. I don't see a golden ticket, but yep. I didn't win, but let's check out these shirts. So the first one, I have this shirt already, but I have it in black. So now I have it in white too. Is the Anti-Social Social Club. It's a simple t-shirt with the flowers on the back, the flowers and the tree stem. So here's the front. Nothing too crazy, but when you go to the back, you can see like the flowers on the tree. It's a nice shirt. And the second one is the Playboy tee. I like this one. Probably keep this one. So let me just show you how that looks. Right, so the front, no, this is the back, and then the front got the Playboy bunny. This is a really good one. I'm definitely gonna wear this. And on the back it says Playboy at the bottom, just if anybody's wondering. So forgot what day I ordered this, but it definitely took over a month. Today is July 8th, and tomorrow I believe the Chunky Dunky mystery boxes drop. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this unboxing. I don't know if I'm gonna go for it because you know, it was a long wait. But I got one more unboxing if you guys want to see something else. It's a pair of Nikes. So I just came in. It's one of the, I don't know if it's called Space Hippies or This Is Trash collection, but yeah, I don't like how they ship this with the actual shoebox, because this box is so dirty. It's hella beat up. You know, I just don't like that. Okay, yep. Oh, it was tape on it, that's why. Let me cut the tape. Oh, there we go. So after you cut the tape, you'll see it says Space Hippie and Trash Transform. Alright, so the first thing, it comes with a bag. I guess you can put the shoe in here if you want to carry it. It's a nice bag, lightweight material. And these are the shoes. Definitely give me that Adidas Ultra Boost vibe with the like the sock shoe-ish material thing. And here's all the recycles on the bottoms. They said it can come off if you start picking at it. So let's see. Yep. If you pick at it, you can, you know, definitely take stuff off. This shoe is very lightweight. I like the box. It got like, let's say like a graffiti look. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this unboxing. I lost the Snkr Flea. I do believe these are my size, so I might, you know, keep these, or, you know, try to trade them for the next ones that's coming out if I can't get those. But yeah, I'm not disappointed because it's only like a 20% chance of winning the Snkr Flea mystery box, but I don't know if I'm gonna cop the July 9th one. So thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna try to upload videos more. It's your boy DJ Henton, and I'm out.